Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Badman frames. Now, to replace the lenses on your frame, you are going to need a T6 screwdriver, and I always recommend to do it on a bright surface. You are going to be loosening up some screws, so just in case one pops out or anything like that, it'll be a lot easier for you to find. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is locate the screws here and here on the frame. Now we're going to do this one at a time, and we're going to give it about 4.5 turns to the left to get it to loosen up. So let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. As you can see here, it already did loosen up pretty well. It's kind of coming apart here, but not completely. We don't want to completely take out the screw. It's going to be a little more difficult to put the frame back together if you do it that way. So do the 4.5 turns and you should be good. Now, to remove the lens, you're going to want to push the lens forward with your thumbs to get it to unseat. You should hear a popping sound when you do that. If you do not be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame here. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and give it that 4.5 turns to get it to unseat. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Once you've done that, go ahead and push the lens forward to unseat it. You should hear that pop. Now, to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around. Now, once you've done that, locate the inside grooves of the frame here and here. And we're going to be lining up our lenses to those grooves. Now, today, I'm going to be installing my new Revo Fire Red replacement lenses. So we're going to line up this top section here of the lens to the top groove here. Now, once you have that lined up, all you got to do is push down or in to get it to seat. You should hear that pop. And we're going to tighten up that same screw. Do your 4.5 turns to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and line up the top portion of your lens to the top groove, and then push down or in to get it to seat. That. Once you've done that, go ahead and tighten up that screw. And now that your new lenses are in, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch and give it a nice little wipe down. Serves as a cleaning cloth, so it'll help remove any oils that might have been left on the lenses, or dust or debris. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you customize your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.